Messing around with vocals and making them sound strange, weird, different, and cool is something that we have all done at least at one point in time in our lives, and it's something that the industry itself has done for a very long time. I mean, just look at the rise of vocal chops with EDM and dance music. There's something about taking a human and using a human's voice as an instrument that is just super interesting, always creative, and never seems to lose its spark. So if you record your own vocals at home, I have a free gift for you. Just click the link in the description and download my free guide called The Ultimate Guide to Recording Vocals at Home. That is the only guide you will ever need to get incredible sounding vocal recordings at home, no matter where you are at. So let's jump into the DAW and I will show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I have a track here that sounds like this. So here is a vocal chop that I have here. And that is actually my voice going, "I'm stuck on you," which sounds like this. "I'm stuck on you." So I'm going to give you a quick rundown of what every single piece is in this chain. So here I have a little bit of Meditune. "I'm stuck on you." And I'm really just kind of clamping down on that vocal and making sure that everything's really in pitch. "I'm stuck on you." Now I have Vocal Bender here, which I am pitching up 12 semitones and I'm bringing the Formant down by -5. Gives me this vibe. "I'm stuck on you." And I'm also blending it in so that way you can still hear my original vocal as well. Now I have some virtual mix rack where I am cleaning up the vocal with a gate, adding some EQ, and double stacking my compression. "I'm stuck on you." Really putting it in your face and bringing it right up. Now here's something that's really, really cool. It is called Faturator and it is from the Kilohertz bundle. This is such a sick plugin. It is like a distortion saturator with like the stereo turbo knob. It just crushes everything. Take a listen. "I'm stuck on you. I'm stuck on you." Yeah, super, super cool plugin. Highly recommend you use it. Now I have a filter to kind of filter out those higher frequencies that saturator and distortion really just kind of like pushed through into the atmosphere. "I'm stuck on you." Now I have a delay. "I'm stuck on you." Then I'm running that delay into a reverb and I have it at 100% wet. So I'm really just kind of dousing it in reverb. Now I have a Haas effects, which is like basically delaying the left and the right to kind of add a little bit more stereo width. And here I have it at about 23.7 milliseconds. And then here I have a bit of kickstart, which is adding a bit of sidechain compression to this so that way it dips in and out every time the kick drum hits, or I have it just set to quarter notes here. And that's really just about it. So I know there's a lot of plugins on there and they're all doing their own little thing, but really the fundamentals of this entire chain is pitch, distortion, and then dousing it in reverb. And if you put a little bit of delay before your reverb, you can actually carry your reverb out even farther. So there is one way to get your vocals to sound like Gray and Cheat Codes and some of the other EDM and pop artists out there that you like. Learning to process vocals in a very creative way is something that is going to serve you best no matter what genre of music that you listen to or what genre of music that you make. Every single genre anymore is messing around with creative vocal production and you should start doing the same. But are you compressing your vocals the right way? Yes, there is a right way to do it, and I show you exactly how in this video here. Little secret, I use 2 compressors. So click here to watch that video, and now as always, go create.